Hi guys, welcome to 7 Man Show, me your host Sean. Well, we're going to start with a streaming service that can 20x. No, it's not Disney. And then we're going to go on to some short squeeze companies. And rather than chasing short squeeze when it's already started, we want to get in before it's happened. We'll show you some examples of short squeezes, and then we'll show you how to search for short squeezes if we have time. So let's get into it. Now, we start with Cinedigm. Now, this is a 50-50 play. You can see it doesn't look that great from the website, you know, but bear with me. Cinedigm, has high percentage of shares held by insiders, a good percentage by institutions, and people look at the trailing 12 months and think it's a terrible balance sheet, it's losing money, and the assets don't outweigh their liabilities. But when you look at the quarterly, they have slashed the liabilities, and when you look in more detail at the liabilities, you've got deferred revenues, which are where people have bought gift cards and they've paid for services and not received the services yet. So and these services aren't costing the company money, they just have to activate their services. They are not far off of covering the liabilities, so I think it won't take much. I think the fact that they think they can get 1 million subscribers this year, if they can, and they can copy Fubo TV, they will reach $10 to $20 a share. But that's all ifs and buts. I wouldn't put more than you can afford to lose in that. Speaking of Fubo TV, we know they're going to acquire Victory and launch a sportsbook. Now, I said last time it was $27 to go in. It hit over 60. I sold at 55. Now, I kept a few shares as profit. I looked into it more and saw that it has a very high short float. Now, the short float is 60% of the shares. So if it starts running again, we saw what happened last time, it hit 60. That was the shorts covering. And the thing is, anything can happen next time, because there's more and more people going into it. I think it's one to pick up and just leave there. And I'll show you some more shorts. Westwater Resources. Now, it's already had a little run up. I would wait for it to come back to 5. If it does and another short squeeze happens, I would expect it to reach $10. It's in a hot sector. If it comes back to 5, I'll be scooping it up. It has 20% short. Anything with 20% or more shorts in, it will is considered high. Hi guys, why not hit that lovely like button and comment in the box below? It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and getting the video out to more people. While you're at it, why not hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And have a look at smashing that bell notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. Now, if you're looking for a free trading platform on which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out the links in the description below. You get a free share worth up to £200 for signing up and depositing a small amount. There's links for Stake, Trading 212 and Freetrade. There's also links to other freebies, as well as videos you may have missed, and my trading 212 pies, which I rebalance regularly, so why not check them out. Akabia Therapeutics, biotech is another hot sector, and it has 20% that we're looking for, and you'll see that its total liabilities are covered by the current assets, but 1.5 times over, which is always good to see. And it's one that's a third of its value. Now we can see that it's a very volatile stock. Now another one, Corbus Pharmaceuticals. This is again under 20%, and we can see that it's a quarter of what it should be. It's in the medicinal MJ sector, and you know, even though it's jumped 7.3%, it's still a quarter of what it should be. Now it has 20% short on it, and 10x. Now this again has 20% short. Now it's just sitting there, but and looking like it's about to make a move. But these are ones that you've got to be prepared to leave there until it does make a move. Now I said I would tell you how to find them. You go to FinViz in the screener. You put down shorts in the short box. You put high, which will bring up 20% and above, and then it'll come up with a list of companies, and then you mark them down and you go to the companies that you want to look for. Obviously you don't go for the ones like Hertz or Nikola. The financials are just terrible, as I'm saying, because you know, you want ones like these where the total liability is like 2.5 million, are covered by the current assets 6 million. See, it's covered more than 2 times by the current assets. They're the ones we want. Now I hope you've enjoyed today's program. It was done on the fly. I didn't prepare for it, so forgive me for the slapdash one. I'm sorry about all the stock twits notifications coming through. I did post something stock twits, and it's kind of being liked by everyone. I'll see you in the next video. That's all for now. By the way, I will only be uploading one tomorrow, as it's my birthday. I'll see you then.